Tip of the month from your friends at Head Tricks Training. This month I'm in Adobe Photoshop CS6 and I'm going to show you how to take a bunch of layers and export them to a single PDF file. So maybe you have a bunch of designs that you want to show your clients, or maybe you have some documents that you scanned in for your CPA, or maybe you have some images that you scanned into your document or into your computer to sell or rent a space. Either way, what I can do is export all of the layers into images and then bring those images and put them all into a PDF automatically. So check it out. I have two steps. The first step is going to be to export all of the layers to their own individual images. To do that, I'll go up to the File menu. I'll go to Scripts and I'll choose Export Layers to Files. I click here. Then I'm going to browse to where I want to save my files. So I made a little demo folder for this demo. I'll save them to that demo folder. I'll click on Open to open the demo folder to save it into. And then I have Demo Files, which is the name of the PSD that I'm using right here. I will say Visible Layers Only. I don't want to export the invisible layers. You'll see here the text of bathroom and living room have the visibility off. So here I'll export to the file type. I'm going to choose a JPEG. Quality of 8 is pretty good. It's 0 to 10, so 8 is pretty high. And that's it. I'll press Run. It's going to export every single layer to its own individual JPEG file for me. And it says me when it's done. And now I'll open up the demo folder. And there you see I have the demo files 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, it's exported the background layer. All right, no problem. Alright, so now we have all the layers and images, and now we're going to bring all the images and put them all into one PDF. So, to do that, I'll go into Photoshop, and I'll go to File, Automate, PDF Presentation. The little dialog box opens up. I'll browse and add the files that I want to add. In this case, I'm going to add all of them except for the blank white layer. I don't need that background. I'll click on Open. You'll see it puts all of my files in there. You can tell the right files because I named my layers, so I know exactly which images are here. And that's it. I have a white background. It'd be a multi-page document, PDF. I could make it as a presentation so that they can click through. So here, just a simple multi-page document. I'll press Save. I'm going to go to the desktop into my demo folder, and I'll call that demo.pdf. I'll save it out, and I'm going to view the PDF after saving. It takes all the images, opens them up, puts them into a PDF for me. And there you have it. There's my PDF with, you'll see 5 pages, and as I click through, you'll see the images that I put into this PDF. So there you have it. That's how I put my images into a PDF. What I can also do if I'm a web designer, or if I want to design a bunch of comps, what I could do is layer comps. So layer comps are a way to keep a bunch of layers in order. So I'm going to create a new layer comp. I'll keep the name layer comp 1. And I'm going to turn on the layers that I want for this comp. So let's see, I'm going to want nothing on except for maybe a picture of the living room and the living room text. And I'll come here to refresh and update the layer comp. And now that's locked in. I'll make a new one. That'll be called layer comp 2. And layer comp 2 will be the bathroom image. And I'll update that. I'll make one more layer comp. And that'll be my web design image with the white background by itself. And one more layer comp. And we'll do the rental pics there with the white background. And now I have 4 layer comps. So you'll see as I click on each one, layer 1, or layer comp 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see it's turning on and off the different layers that I'm using for this file. You'll see layer comp 1 entails the living room text, that layer, the living room image, and the layer 1 background. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take these comps and export them to a PDF. I'll go to File, Scripts, and go down to Layer Comps to PDF. I then click on Browse to browse where I want to save the PDF. Again, I'll go into my demo folder and I'll call that Demo Comps. Comps.pdf. Click on Save. And I'll advance the slide every 2 seconds so that it goes a little quicker. And if I want it to loop, I can loop back to the beginning after the last page. So here we go. I'm going to click on Run. It exports all of my layer comps. Lets me know when it's done. And if I open up the demo folder, I see they have democomps.pdf. Double click. Acrobat lets me know that it's trying to put it in full screen mode. I say yes. And there you have the presentation. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tip of the month from your friends at Head Tricks Training. See you soon.